Here at Wolseley Pipe and Climate, we're changing the way we deliver manual handling training. Did you know that it is a requirement for your employer to give you some form of manual handling training under the Health and Safety at Work Act 1974? We have always been told, keep your back straight and bend your knees, and it looks something like this. Let's have a look at how common back injuries occur. The spine starts at the base of the skull and goes all the way down through the body and finishes at the tailbone. The part we're interested in is what's called the lumbar region, or the lower back. Does this look familiar? Leaning over to the side, that away from the body, using the back as a lever and pivoting from the waist. That's all the pressure on the lower back. If you actually change your foot position to there, that's now in the green zone. Allows you to unlock your knees and then pick it using the big muscles. One of the hazards we face on a daily basis is straight lines, and they're everywhere. Straight line of the product, straight line of the pallets, straight line of the racking even. And what that does is that forces us to stand with our feet in line. Anything that is in front of our feet is in the red zone. Also, our body weight goes into the red zone. When things are away from you, that means that this doubles or triples in weight and all that pressure goes on the lower back. And believe it or not, mounting and dismounting a forklift truck is also handling our own body weight. That's why we have 3 points of contact. 1, 2, 3. And we know the steering wheel isn't one of them. Up we go, and in we get. We've done getting into the cab, but dismounting is just as important. 1, 2, 3. And before we step down, we always look down, because we're looking down what we're getting onto, but also what we're getting into. What about when we're picking in the V&A truck? Got it all going on here. Straight lines, restricted space, head height, and the items are away from us. A good practice in a warehouse is to always layer pick. That means taking the top layer, then the next one underneath. Because if you layer pick, you can use that layer underneath as a slide to allow it to be pulled, tilt and take in the green zone, and that makes it as safe as possible. Unfortunately here, we've got a pyramid. How easy was that? Picking it, pulling it, tilting it, taking it, and then turning. And there you can see I have room to move. And again, getting the second one, it gives me the corner to work from. And now I've stacked 2 here, what I'm going to do is push them to the other side. What I don't do is I don't lean over and place them down by lifting them. We're going to pick some bedding, and I've got a cage. But look at the damage on this cage here. All these bits sticking out, that bit coming off. That is not good. That needs putting to one side and definitely not using. I need to get a serviceable cage. And it's as easy as that. So, what are we talking about here? 4 simple techniques that can massively reduce that pressure on your body on a daily basis. If you use these techniques, not only at work, but also at home, I guarantee you, you'll reduce that pressure on your body and reduce the chance of an injury. Stay safe.